My name is Eric Sanders, and I'm an assistant professor here in the Speech-Language Pathology program at Moravian College. I'm very excited to be at Moravian because of our novel problem-based learning approach. It truly is a little revolutionary, just as Moravian is. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am a speech-language pathologist. Before I was a speech-language pathologist, I was an English teacher, a middle school English teacher. And when I was doing that, I met several speech-language pathologists, and I always had this love of language and literacy. And so that led me to explore the field, and I decided to go back and go to graduate school to become an SLP. And when I graduated, I moved to South Florida, which is where I'm from, and became an SLP in the public school system there for 6 years. In addition to that, I worked at a private practice in the afternoons and over the summers when I would finish with school. For the final 3 years that I was practicing, I specialized in what's called augmentative and alternative communication, or better known as AAC. And what I began to realize when I worked in the schools is that I had more questions than answers, and that's what drove me back to pursue my PhD. After finishing up the PhD, I worked for the last 6 years at a university called Pacific University out in Oregon, and I heard about the job at Moravian. And so I'm excited to be here, excited to be part of the inaugural faculty, and excited to help with the construction of this wonderful program under the direction of our program director, Louise Keegan. The reason that I'm so excited to be here at Moravian is because of our novel approach to the field of speech-language pathology. We're using this problem-based learning approach, which truly is something that's different, something that hasn't been done before in the United States. So there's no program that uses this approach in the US. There's one program in Canada that uses it and a variety of other programs across the world. But this is something that's truly novel, something that's truly different. And I know from my time as a clinician that this is an approach that will help really train our students to be excellent clinicians, and that's what our goal is here. And so the problem-based learning approach is one in which students have the opportunity to solve problems, to solve the real types of problems that they're going to be faced with as clinicians. And that's the thing to me that's truly exciting about being at Moravian and being a part of this program.